Hell breezy. Let me show you how to keep the dice rolling when you're doing that thing over there, homie. Hey, let's go! Cause I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away. Better know that I don't and I won't ever stop. Cause you know I gotta win every day.
Hi guys, this is Detroit Flyer HD coming at you with another Gemini Jets unboxing video. Today I will be unboxing the 1/400 scale Gemini Jets United 737-800 in the new livery. This is the one I've been wanting for a little bit now. The NG one sold out, which kind of bummed me out, so I had to buy the Gemini one. And I'm not too afraid about how it will look. I know I've seen pictures of it. It looks fine. Not nearly as good as the NG one, but I guess we will have to make do. Yeah. Anyway, it's a nice plane. I bought it for a good price on eBay, and yeah, here it is. So I guess let's just unbox this one. Still can't find my X-Acto knife, so I'm opening it with a screwdriver. Yeah. Almost got it. Bubble wrap, love it. And here it is. God, boxes are so small. They package them really well. It's annoying. Here it is. The 1/400 Gemini Jets United 737-800 in the new livery. No, it's also great because I just get to add another plane to my United fleet. I want that to grow. I hope to get the 777 and the 787 for Christmas, and as well as the new terminal. Because if you don't know, I'm planning a huge, a massive reconstruction and redesign of my airport. And United and Delta are the hub airlines, so. And by the way, this is also my first 737 model that isn't the 737 MAX. But yeah, so it's my first regular 737 model ever. So I'm excited about that. So yeah, let's unbox it. And Gemini Jets strikes again. Wow. Yeah. Okay there. Typical Gemini Jets quality right there. Yeah, so nothing I can't fix, but yeah, disappointing, really disappointing that Gemini Jets did me like this, and yeah. Why, James? Why can't you just send me the... This is now also my first model that I've received broken from Gemini Jets. From anyone. Aviation 18. you're watching this, I feel you, man. Well, at least it's one wing. Yeah, here is the, I mean, other than that, the plane looks fine. Oh, there's a paint chip right there. This is very frustrating. Yeah, and there you have it. I'm not gonna really say anything except Gemini Jets, if you're watching this, you should feel ashamed right now. You ruined a beautiful plane, and that just it's not right, and it needs to be fixed. I don't know what you guys are doing in Vegas, but something needs to change, and I can definitely agree with everyone else in the community that has been saying that Gemini Jets needs to do something. I've stuck by Gemini Jets. I've said that, you know, they're trying their best, they're doing what they can, but this is the last straw. Like I'm done with Gemini Jets pulling this kind of stuff and thinking that people are gonna buy their models if they come broken. And yeah, so Gemini Jets, you officially met your match with NG models. From now on, if there is an NG equivalent to a Gemini plane, I will buy it, and I will not settle for the Gemini Jets version of it anymore. So this kind of ends really like a long relationship with me and Gemini Jets. So yeah, it's disappointing, Gemini Jets. Very disappointing. Something needs to change now. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. If you liked this and my little rant on Gemini Jets, yeah, please hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned. Next Sunday I leave for Minneapolis, which is the first leg on my trip to Maui and back. Please stay tuned, because you can expect a trip report. You can expect 5 trip reports in my series, going to Hawaii and back. I'm in Comfort Plus all the way there and all the way back, so it should be a fun ride on Delta Airlines. Yeah, I hope you found something in this video that you liked, and yeah, stay tuned for the next one. Bye.